Browse. What's her name? Geeta. Open. Mamta, are you able to do that? Any doubt? This side. You have not closed the title case. Here. Here, title. After title, before title, you have to give a slash to close the title.
Title.
Yes. No, here. Beginning of this tag. Yeah. Click the mouse button there. Press slash there. Then simply body tag close it. Then go to file. Save as rupa.html.